Did you know that the chocolate you love could be the secret to better brain health, a stronger heart, and even a happier mood? But here's the catch, not all cocoa is created equal. In fact, some cocoa products could be doing more harm than good. Welcome to ROCO Diet, where we uncover the truth about your favorite foods and show you how to make them work for your health. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cocoa, its benefits, the myths, and how to enjoy it the right way. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll be a cocoa expert, and I'll even share some mouth-watering recipes you can try at home. Let's start with the basics. Cocoa comes from the cacao tree, scientifically known as Theobroma cacao, which literally means food of the gods, and for good reason. Cocoa is packed with nutrients like flavonoids, magnesium, iron, and antioxidants. These compounds are linked to a range of health benefits, from improving brain function to reducing inflammation. But here's the thing, not all cocoa products are the same. The health benefits come from pure, high-quality cocoa, not the sugary chocolate bars you find at the store. In fact, studies show that consuming cocoa with a high flavonoid content can improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and even boost your mood. So, if you're looking to add cocoa to your diet, it's important to choose the right kind. Stick around, because I'll show you exactly what to look for when buying cocoa powder. Now, before you rush to buy cocoa, there's something you need to know. Cocoa, especially low-quality versions, can contain heavy metals like cadmium and lead. These metals occur naturally in the soil where cacao trees grow, and they can end up in the final product. Consuming too much of these heavy metals can be harmful to your health, affecting your kidneys, bones, and even your brain. That's why it's crucial to choose cocoa that's been tested for heavy metals and comes from reputable sources. Don't worry, I'll share some tips on how to find safe, high-quality cocoa later in the video. But first, let's talk about the incredible health benefits of cocoa when you choose the right kind. Alright, let's get into the good stuff, the health benefits of cocoa. Here are the top 5 reasons why cocoa deserves a spot in your diet. 1. Boosts brain health. Cocoa flavonoids improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing memory, focus, and cognitive function. 2. Supports heart health. Regular cocoa consumption can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. 3. Improves mood. Cocoa contains compounds that stimulate the production of serotonin and endorphins, the feel-good hormones. 4. Rich in antioxidants. Cocoa is one of the richest sources of antioxidants, which fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. 5. Promotes healthy skin. The flavonoids in cocoa can improve skin elasticity and protect against UV damage. But remember, these benefits come from pure, high-quality cocoa, not the sugary, processed versions. So, how do you choose the right cocoa? Let's find out. Choosing the right cocoa can be overwhelming, but I've got you covered. Here are the 4 things to look for when buying cocoa. 1. 100% pure cocoa. Avoid products with added sugars, milk powders, or artificial flavors. 2. Non-Dutched cocoa. Dutch processed cocoa is treated with alkali, which reduces its flavonoid content. Go for natural, non-Dutched cocoa for maximum health benefits. 3. Tested for heavy metals. Look for brands that provide third-party lab results for heavy metals. 4. High flavonoid content. Aim for cocoa with at least 400 milligrams of flavonoids per serving. And here's a pro tip. Always check the serving size on the label. Too much cocoa can lead to overconsumption of heavy metals, so moderation is key. Now that you know how to choose the best cocoa, let's move on to the fun part, how to use it in your daily meals. Ready to get cooking? Here are 3 easy and delicious ways to incorporate cocoa into your diet. 1. Nutty cocoa pudding. Blend cocoa powder with nut butter, almond milk, and a natural sweetener like honey or stevia. Top with fresh berries for a healthy dessert. 2. Cocoa super smoothie. Add a teaspoon of cocoa powder to your favorite smoothie recipe for a chocolatey twist. 3. Healthy hot cocoa. Mix cocoa powder with warm almond milk, a dash of cinnamon, and a natural sweetener for a cozy, guilt-free treat. These recipes are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Give them a try and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Before we wrap up, let's debunk some common myths about cocoa. 1. Myth: all chocolate is healthy. Not true. Only dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% or more, offers health benefits. 2. Myth. Cocoa is high in caffeine. While cocoa does contain some caffeine, it's much lower than coffee. 3. Myth. Cocoa causes acne. There's no scientific evidence linking cocoa to acne. In fact, its antioxidants can improve skin health. So, don't let these myths stop you from enjoying the benefits of cocoa. And there you have it, everything you need to know about cocoa. From its incredible health benefits to how to choose the best quality and even some delicious recipes, you're now equipped to make cocoa a part of your healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to ROCO Diet for more tips on eating well and living better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.